My name is Richard Davies. I am responsible for the online fulfilment for Card Factory and Getting Personal. Monk have helped us in a great part in how to deal with the growth in the company. It's removed some of the possible restrictions there may have been into how quickly we could accelerate that growth, because we've got equipment that we know is proven from a concept initially that we've then adapted and further developed for other uses in order to facilitate that growth without too much additional cost and labour requirement. So the day-to-day, we are responsible for the fulfilment of all Card Factory online and Getting Personal online fulfilment of the online orders. So the orders are coming through 24 hours a day. We're working to the SLAs, so we are literally picking those items in that basket, whether that's a personalised gift, card, stock gift, or a digital greetings card. We then have to bring those together to make sure that the 5 components in your item, in your basket, come back together and you're receiving them in one parcel. So we're reconciling those components back, and part of that process is the sortation, and ultimately then is how efficient we can pack that. The guys and engineers actually coming in to fit it were very professional, and they knew what they were involved with, and they've been involved in the subsequent ones, so you are on first name terms with the guys coming through, and they understand the kit. Yes, there's been some slight variance and some certain nuances to the different functionality we want it on a variance of that, but that's been easily incorporated in the actual fitting of that. And equally, if there is something that they think we're going down a wrong route, they're able to and willing to actually question it and double check and things on there, and even point at things out. You know, is this really what you want, or is there an alternative? So it's very much a partnership on that side. And there, I mean, the sortation machine initially, the first machine was 40 bins, so it was 20 either side. We ordered a second one, we're taking it to a 60 bin sortation to allow for the growth, and we didn't have any interruptions at all. And that was discussed through the timescales of how we wanted to do it, planned in by their project manager, 2 ways on that side of it to ensure it had the minimum impact, maximum benefit as far as I was concerned. They delivered it on time. We received the equipment and commissioned it on time, so it wasn't a case of me chewing their ears saying I need it, when's it ready. We all had an agreed time when it was through, and it was a case of on a daily basis something updates to say yes, we're on track or we're slightly ahead. And in fact, on one of the lines, you know, you can have it from tomorrow if you want. So it's got to be that way, otherwise it doesn't work. So I'm safe in the knowledge that if they say they're going to do something, they're going to do it. They're very professional in the way the fitting and the equipment has come through. The guys from the guys fitting it to the design and the people higher up in the business are all friendly, they're all knowledgeable, they all know what they're doing, so they give you that comfort that I'm dealing with somebody who knows what they're doing. They are looking after us and understand what our requirements are. As far as recommendations from Monk concerned, I wouldn't hesitate. It's very much a partnership on that side.